So if you want to remove minimalist library from your computer, just go to Extension Manager. There are a few things we will remove from here: site template and custom blocks. So let's go to blocks first and select all of the minimalist library sections you want to remove, leaving all of the other ones. Click on the minus icon and confirm yes, remove extensions. Blocks will quickly remove everything. Let's go to sites and do the same to the site template. So after that, you need to restart blocks and open any project, just any new project. Go to block bar, and you will see that we will still have the empty minimalist library selection here. Click organize and the trash can to delete this library from here as well. As you can see now, it is completely removed.